If your Instagram account gets suspended and you want to recover it, or you're curious to know about how cheap hackers can get account banned for money, let me explain how it works. First, they create a duplicate account of yours that look exactly like yours. Then they forge a fake ID card with your details through editing and printing. Next, they get that fake account meta verified with a paid blue tick. You know, the one that cost around 45 rupees. After that, they file an impersonation report on Instagram claiming their account is the original one and that you copied them. Boom, your account gets suspended instantly. Sometimes these hackers might even contact you, demanding money to help recover your account. Don't fall for it. Here is what you should do instead. Send an email to Instagram or fill out their official forms providing all your details and wait for Instagram to respond. They usually restore your account if you provided correct information. If that doesn't work, reach out to Meta directly. They'll address your issue more thoroughly. Still facing a problem? Drop a comment below.